Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to school. We are now on week 12 of this semester, and before you blink, it's gonna be semester break. So make sure you make the most of the remaining weeks of this semester. We have some announcements regarding activities happening at school, starting from the elementary. Starting on Wednesday, there will be a visit from PYP 6C. They will be having lunch punch activity at Universitas Ciputra starting at 11 to 12:30. The following day, it will be followed by the same activity, same hour, but for PYP 60. And then on Friday, there will be PYP STUCO Assembly happening at 9:30 to 10:15. So stay tuned, everyone in PYP, you will be having an amazing PYP STUCO Assembly. And then moving on to high school, we will be starting today and tomorrow by Grade 11 Science Project. And then on Tuesday, there will be Grade 12 Farewell Assembly happening at Ciputra Hall. We will be saying goodbye to all Grade 12 students, and we wish them all good luck for the rest of their journey. And then on Wednesday, there will be a bunch of activities happening since the morning. We will be starting with Grade 8 SA exhibition. It will happen on high school, 3rd floor, starting from 7:30 until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then moving on at 2 p.m. until 3 p.m., there will be Grade 8 DP Core Exhibition. Core Exhibition is an exhibition for TOK, EE, and also CAS. And moving on, NHS members, NHS Community, they will be having a visit and teaching session at Bukit Palma when they will be talking about recycling with the local community there. And then the following day, on Thursday, there will be OSIS captain and vice captain election. So stay tuned so that you know how to vote for the best captain and vice captain. And then on Friday is a big day for our grade 12 students because it's their graduation day. We will be wishing them and waving goodbye, celebrating all the achievements that they have made throughout their years in high school. And then on Saturday, yes, there will be prom night happening at Pakuan Imperial Ballroom. So stay tuned so that you know. Obviously, this is a prom night for grade 12 students, but there might be some other levels invited, so stay tuned. And that's the end of this week. It's gonna be a long week, but hang in there because everything, all of your work hard, it will be paid off. Stay healthy, stay positive, and stay grateful. Bye-bye.